Guys, come and listen to mortgage and what it is all about before taking that decision to buy a house.
Just sounds good. Mortgages. I have a mortgage. It's rent. You're renting from the bank. Are you losing money?
All I have been told
Yes.
was that mortgage is an investment.
Woo. Okay. So first of all, folks, let me break that myth down.
Okay.
A mortgage is not an investment.
Okay.
It's just a fancy name for rent. Just sounds good. Mortgages. I have a mortgage. It's rent. You're renting from the bank. You went to the bank and the bank said, first of all, they took you to the ringer to give you the money to buy the house you want.
Okay.
Now you buy the house, the bank becomes your landlord that you're paying rent to every month.
Okay.
Now, when you have stuff breaks down in your house, can you call the bank and say fix it?
No.
No. Now, in addition to the bank, now here's how the bank and the government make money, because the government tells you buy a house, you get a tax credit, right?
Right.
Then the media say generational wealth. See the two brainwashing system to get your money? So what that happens now is when you bought that house and you say, I want to leave this house to my children, but your children don't want the house. A house is an investment if it's making you money. And now, in addition to the mortgage, what else you have to pay? Taxes and insurance.
Right.
Taxes and insurance. Now, here's the key that most people miss. You as a human being, you are a property in the eyes of the government. You're a property. How much value do you put on yourself? But no, when we buy a house, the bank says, listen, I just gave you $300,000 for that house, but listen, I need to value the house and see how much it's worth if the house burns down. So now you got to pay more to keep that insurance in addition to your mortgage payment. Then you got to pay taxes. So when the house is paid off, guess what? You still got to pay taxes and insurance.
Yeah.
And the government could still take the house if you miss
Default
on taxes. An investor can buy it. The only time a house is an investment or mortgage is an investment if it's making you money. Meaning, I could go to the bank, loan money from the bank to buy a house that I rent out to multiple people. Now it's an investment for me because now I'm the landlord, not the bank. The bank is only landlord to me, but I have tenants paying the mortgage so I could take care of the bank, but I deal with my tenants. That makes sense?
That makes sense.
So, but if it's a house you're going to live, it's not an investment. It's just a place to lay your house. It's a house. It's a house. I've seen so many families make so many mistakes. They get pregnant. Oh, I need to buy a house for the baby. No, the baby don't need the house. The baby needs a crib. They need a crib to sleep, and they're going to be in that crib for 3-4 years. So save your money before you start jumping out there. Man, a home is a place where you build memories, where you enjoy your family. There's so many poor people in Africa that live in one home, one room, and there's still joy. There's still so much love. You know, when you're making decisions just because you want to impress other people, that's how you make financial mistakes. So
Please, if you really have experience of this, please share with us in the comment section. Okay? You gotta go down and discuss it. Many people want to know. I also want to know more things about it, actually. That's my main reason for sharing this. Simple.